Welcome to this channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about problems of facility management in corporate organization in Lagos State, a case study of some selected manufacturing industry. Remember, Project NG provide project topic in different departments ranging from accounting, biochem, chemical engineering, computer science, economics, English, education, geography, history, home and rural economics, industrial chemistry, law, insurance, marketing, mass communication, nursing science, pharmacy, political science, psychology, public administration, purchasing and supply, secretarial administration, statistics, geology, and much more. Today's topic, which is problem of facility management in corporate organization in Lagos State, a case study of some selected manufacturing industry, is one of the project topic listed in listed in estate management department. So you can download this complete project topic in PDF or doc format by visiting projectng.com and clicking on Get this complete project material now. So let's go down from the abstract. You can see that facility management in Nigeria is still an early cycle when compared with the situation in Europe, USA, where the practice has been on since 1980s. Some corporate organizations are increasingly embracing the need for efficient facility management. Like new venture, facility management practice in Nigeria is expected to also have its commencement problem. The study examined the role of facility management and highlight the problem that constrain effective facility management. The research adopted a survey and the case study method. The survey was used in data collection, while the case study was based on the intensive study of 6 selected drug, beverage, and textile manufacturing industry in Lagos. The sample technique used was simple random sampling. The sample of 240 respondents was drawn from the population parameter through the Taroyami model. A total number of 200 completed questionnaires representing 83.3% of the distribution made were recovered and used for statistical analysis. The hypothesis of this study portrayed that facility management problems do not have significant effects on efficiency and productivity of an organization. The data collected were subject to an iterative static test using check-Q techniques. The major problems identified include poor funding and maintenance, bureaucracy, and unavailability of skilled right professionals. The results of the static analysis were shown as follows. So if you come to table of contents of this particular project, you can see that from the introduction and background study, which is in page 1, the statement problem, page 3, aim and objective, page 4, and research question in page 6. If you come down to page chapter 2, which you can see from the literature review, which is in page 8, the meaning and the facility management is in page 11, the facility management in the past, page 15, the real estate, page 20, premise operation, page 21, small scale organization, page 27. If you still come down from the table of contents in chapter 2, you can see that the problem of manufacturing sector is found in page 32, while the problem of facility management practice in Nigeria is found in page 35. If you come to chapter 3, methodology in page 39, the population study in page 39, while method of data analysis is being shown in page 42. In the chapter 4, where the presentation of data and analysis, you can see that the analysis of data is in page 45, and to what extent are the facility effectively managed in page 49. The test of hypothesis in page 53, why what is the present condition of facility is in page 56. If you come down a little bit, you understand that the test of hypothesis in page 60. In chapter 5, which is the summary of finding and conclusion and recommendation, you can see that the findings were in page 52, conclusion in page 64, recommendation in page 64, and suggestion of further study in page 69, while reference in page 70 and appendix in page 74. So from the chapter 1, which is the introduction and background of study, a lot of numerous meaning has been ascribed to the facility management. This misconception has arisen because of the dictionary meaning which people have identified the word facility with. Even professionals in real estate, constrained industry, and professionals in other sectors are likely to think that facilities mean that those special infrastructure such as water, electricity, road, telecommunication equipment, etc. that are important to the use and enjoyment of the property. According to according to the 1980s, the early set of people who came into contact with what is now referred to the facilities and management has always taken a strict view on the discipline on relating only to specific management as against the other aspects. If you come down again in this particular project, you will see that in statement of problem, facility management in Nigeria is still in early learning cycle when compared with the situation in Europe and USA, where the practice has been since 19. Some corporate organizations are increasing embracing the need for efficient facility management. Like any new venture, facility management practice in Nigeria is expected to have its commencement problem. And it's this problem of facility management that the study intends to find out. And the aim, which an objective, which is in 1.3, is is to examine the role of facility manager and to highlight the problem that constrain effective management as well as providing solution to this identified problem. Remember, as I said earlier, you can download this particular project in PDF format on doc at projectng.com. All you have to do is to visit projectng.com, click on your department. This particular project is in estate management, or you can use the search box on the website to search for this particular project or search for other related other related project. And in this particular project, the research question starting from one, which is how effective are facility being managed? To what extent does the facility complement their basic function? To what extent is the management functional in terms of finance, modern automation? And four, to what extent are the resources allocated for facility management adequate? And five, to what extent are the facility user requirements satisfied? And finally, six, what are the major problems encountered by facility manager and how can they be solved? In page one, in 1.9, which a brief history of the area, you can see that metropolitan Lagos covers an area of about 1.08 square kilometer. It covers Ikeja, which is the first capital of the state. It has the center of the nation commercial industrial activity. It's bound on the south by the Atlantic Ocean, on the east by the part of Lagos Lagoon, on the northwest by the Lagos state boundary with Ogun State. The growth of metropolitan Lagos is in the last 50 years has been tremendous, exerting great pressure on the fringes of the metropolitan area. The population rose from 26,169 in 1989 to about 3.8 million in 1978 and 6.8 million in 1999. The National Population Commission 1999 presently is estimated to be about 15 million. With this rise in population, greater pressure is exerted on infrastructure and facility which are disappropriate to the population using them. So if you want to download this particular project, you can click on Get Free Work or you go up to the first line of the page where you can see get the complete project topic now. Remember to comment, subscribe to our channel for more video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.